Will Suzlon's stock price soar in the coming year? A question on the minds of many, and the subject of today's video. Diving right in, Suzlon, an Indian wind turbine supplier, has had a rollercoaster of a journey in the stock market. A decade ago, Suzlon was among the top 10 wind turbine suppliers globally. However, a series of unfortunate events led to a steady decline in its stock price. The company's financial troubles started around 2011, when it was unable to repay its debt, leading to the restructuring of its loans. This was followed by a decline in the wind power industry's growth, which further impacted Suzlon's performance. Fast forward to 2023, and Suzlon's financial health seems to be improving. The company has managed to reduce its debt significantly and has been making a steady recovery. The revival of the wind power industry has also positively impacted the company's performance. So, what does the future hold for Suzlon? Analysts believe that Suzlon's prospects for 2024 look promising. The company's efforts to reduce its debt and the revival of the wind power industry are expected to drive its growth. Furthermore, the global push towards renewable energy is likely to provide a boost to Suzlon's performance. However, it's crucial to remember that the stock market is unpredictable, and while Suzlon's prospects look promising, several factors, such as changes in government policies or a slowdown in the renewable energy sector, could impact its performance. To recap, Suzlon's past performance has been a mixed bag, with the company facing financial troubles in the past decade. However, the company's efforts to reduce its debt and the revival of the wind power industry have led to a steady recovery. Looking ahead, Suzlon's future prospects look promising due to the global push towards renewable energy. However, potential changes in government policies or a slowdown in the renewable energy sector could impact its performance. Remember, investing in the stock market involves risk, and it's essential to do your research before making any investment decisions. Stay informed, stay smart, and happy investing.